Hello everyone, thank you for joining. My name is Jennifer. I'm a tutor at the Garcia Center and I attend Texas A&M University Corpus Christi. Today I'm going to be going over some math for students ages 9 through 10 which are in 3rd and 4th grade. For 3rd grade, I'm going to be going over the subject geometry with the focus on perimeter, and for 4th grade, I'm going to be going over geometry but with the focus on perimeter and area. After the video, there will be a small quiz. This quiz can be found on the link above. The quiz will consist of what I'm about to go over. For more videos like this, don't forget to join us on Mondays and Wednesdays at 12:30 p.m. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into grade 3 geometry. We are going to look at perimeter of rectangles. So what is perimeter? Here we have that perimeter is the distance around a figure. How do we get the perimeter? We add the sides to find the perimeter. So we have to find the perimeter of each rectangle. So here we have the first rectangle. We have 11 inches on this side and 3 inches on this side. So how do we figure out these? If we take a look, these two are the same. So that means this is also 11 inches. And these two are the same. So this is also 3 inches, just like that one. Now we're going to add all of this. So we have 3 plus 11 plus 3 plus 11. So let's go ahead and add that. Let's do that right here. 3, 11, 3, 11. Let's add that. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have 1, 2. So the perimeter is 28 inches. Let's go on to the next one. We have 15 feet and 5 feet. So what is here goes right there, so that is 15 feet. What is here goes right there, that is 5 feet. So now let's add all around. We will have 5 plus 15 plus 5 plus 15. So let's add that. Let's do that right here. We have 5 plus 15 plus 5 plus 15. So let's see what that is. We have 5 plus 5, that's 10, plus 5, that's 15, plus 5, that's 20. So we have the 0 down here and the 2 up here. So we have 2, 3, 4. So this is 40. So the answer is 40 feet. Now let's go on to the next one. We have 8 inches and 4 inches. So this is the same as this, so that's 8 inches. This is the same as that, and that's 4 inches. So we add all around and we have 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 8. So let's go ahead and do that. We have 4 plus 8, that is 12. Now we add another 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 8. Let's go ahead and do that right here. 16 plus 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. Then we have this one and this one, so that is 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is 24 inches. Let's go on to the next one. We have 7 feet and 3 feet, so this is the same right here. We have 7 feet. Then we have this is the same right here. We have 3 feet. So let's add that. We have 3 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7. So what is 3 plus 7? That's 10. Plus 3, that's 13. Plus 7, that is 20. So we have 20 feet. Now let's go on to the last one. We have 8 inches and 5 inches. So this is the same as this, that's 8 inches. And this is the same as this, and that is 5 inches. So we have 5 plus 8 plus 5 plus 8. So what is 8 plus 5? That is 13 plus 5, 18 plus 8. Let's do that right here. 18 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is 26 inches. Now we're going to get into grade 4 geometry. We are going to focus on rectangles, and we are going to look for area and perimeter. So area is length times width, and perimeter is the sum of all sides. We need to find the perimeter and area of each rectangle. So let's take a look at the first one. We have 11 inches and 5 inches. So these two sides are the same, so this would also be 11 inches. And these two sides are the same, so this would also be 5 inches, just like the opposite side. So let's look at perimeter first. So perimeter is the sum of all sides. So first we're going to have to add all these sides. So we have 5 plus 11 plus 5 and plus 11. So let's go ahead and add that. We have 5, 6, plus 5, that's 11, plus 1, that's 12. So we have 2 and 1, 12. So now let's add this side. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 32. So perimeter equals 32 inches. Now let's go into area. Area is length times width. So this is the length and this is the width. So it would be 11 times 5. So let's do that right here. 11 times 5. 5 times 1 is 5. And 5 times 1 is 5. So area equals 55 inches squared. Now let's go on to the next question. So we have 12 yards and 6 yards. So this is the same. So this is 12 yards. And these are the same, so this is 6 yards. Now let's find the perimeter, so that is adding all around. So we have 12 plus 6 plus 12 plus 6. So we have 2 plus 6, that's 8, plus 2, that's 10, plus 6, that is 16. Now we have 1, 2, 3. So the perimeter equals 36 inches. Now let's find the area. That is length times width. So we have the length right here and we have the width. So let's do 12 times 6. So what is 6 times 2? That is 12. 6 times 1, that is 6, plus 1, that is 7. So we have area equals 72 yards squared. So I made a mistake right here. It is not inches, it is yards. So let's just go ahead and put yards. Let's go on to the next one. We have 21 yards and 5 yards. So this is the same. This is 21 yards and these are the same, 5 yards. So let's go ahead and add them for the perimeter. So we have 5 plus 21 plus 5 plus 21. So we have 5, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1, 12. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 52. So the perimeter equals 52 yards, don't forget. And now for the area, we have length times width. So we have 21 times 5. 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 times 2 is 10. So the area would equal to 105 yards squared. Let's go on to the last one. We have 16 inches and 6 inches. So this is the same from this. This is 16 inches, and these are the same. So this is 6 inches. So let's go ahead and add all around to get the perimeter. So we have 6 plus 16 plus 6 plus 16. So we have 6 plus 6, that is 12, plus 6, that is 18, plus another 6, that is 24. Now we have 2 plus 1, that's 3, plus 1, that is 4. So we have 44. Perimeter equals 44 inches. Area is length times width. So we have length times the width. So we have 16 times 6. 6 times 6, that is 36. And then we have 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3, that is 9. So the area equals 96 inches squared. That's all I have for you today. And don't forget, for more videos like this, join us on Mondays and Wednesdays. And remember, kids, wash your hands, stay home if possible, and if you are out, try to stay at least 6 feet away from others. Thank you.